Welcome back, everyone. So today I have a 2018 Tacoma. All the keys were lost in this, most likely by the salesman, because that's what they do. And so I have to program new keys to this car. Now, if you've ever had an all keys lost situation on a Toyota, you know there's a pretty long process. There's a 16-minute wait time that you have to sit through. And at least on the dealership side, we have to fill out a form, get management approval. Now, luckily, I'm considered a manager, so I can approve myself, which is strange because I need to request permission from myself, then grant permission from myself to do these keys. But with that being said, if you're on the independent side, most likely you need an LSID. So I'm going to be using my IM608 here with this special fancy APB112. And we are going to, instead of doing an all keys lost situation, we are going to just add a key. Now, what this tool does is it takes the immobilizer key data from the immobilizer computer. It's going to program onto this key, onto this key simulator. Now, once it's downloaded onto this key simulator, we are just going to use this simulator to then add a key. And I can do this in probably under 5 minutes. So, as you can see, try to start this car. I got nothing. Key doesn't work. So I wanted to do a screen recording with this, but my screen recorder is not working for here, and disregard those updates I need to do. So we're going to go into the immobilizer function. We're going to accept the fact that we are not stealing this car. Go to Toyota. We will do manual selection here. USA built. Tacoma. Where's Tacoma? Did I miss it? Tacoma. So this here is a 2018. And we have a smart key. Yes. So the nice thing about the IM608 is you can do a status scan if you would like, and it pulls any trouble codes from the immobilizer computer. Tells you how many keys are registered to the car, but we're not going in there. It also has vehicle immobilizer information that tells you where the keys are, what kind of keys it has, all that kinds of stuff. But for now, we're just going right in the control unit, keyless CAN system. We are going to back up immobilizer data. Hit OK. So this is going to take maybe a minute or so, and this is reading the key data from the immobilizer computer. So we're going to wait for this to finish, which goes pretty quickly. All right, so we are going to save this file as a YouTube video 2. The first time I tried doing this, I was using a screen recorder and it completely screwed up. So that's YouTube video 1. This is going to be YouTube video 2. All right, backup is successful. Going to hit generate key. Now, that is going to put all of that information that it just gathered onto this simulator. So we have to select the EEPROM data, YouTube video 2, OK. Okay, so we already have the APB112 hooked up, so hit OK. OK again. The simulator key is generated successfully. The simulator key can now be used to start the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to hold this up to this start switch. You can see with this simulator, I'm able to start this car. Now, I'm going to use this car. I'm going to use this simulator to then program this key. So now that we have this programmed to the vehicle, or well, the vehicle programmed to this, I guess you should say, we're going to use this to add a key. Yes, I want to use this simulator. We're going to turn the hazard lights on. Now this just keeps any modules from falling asleep. Okay. So we're going to put this APB simulator to the start button. All right. Now we're going to put a smart key to be learned. Here, beep twice. It's registering. Learning successful. Hit OK. All right. Now, I am going to disconnect this simulator just because it's in the car. I'm going to disconnect this simulator, and we are going to see if our car starts. All right. All of the remote functions work now as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this one and you're able to see what this IM608 can do. That took what, 5 minutes? 5 minutes instead of the 25 minutes. It usually takes me to do these all keys lost situations. Now, yeah, I'm really loving this IM608. I haven't used it as much as I wanted to. Last week I went to Maryland for Supra training. The week before I took some vacation time to finish a world pack class that I'm building. So I haven't actually been working much since receiving this tool. But I hope you all were able to see what this tool is capable of, especially with this APB112 simulator. This thing's pretty amazing, especially for me working in a Toyota dealership. But I'll catch you all next time.